बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। अज असां जेको आहे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस जो आगाज़ था कयूं इंडस प्रिंटिंग टेस्ट एंड कोचिंग सेंटर गवर्नमेंट रानीपुर जे तरफ़ां। उनमें पहिरियों लेक्चर जेको तव्हांजे लाइ तैयार कयो आहे उहो केमिस्ट्री जो आहे। केमिस्ट्री फर्स्ट ईयर क्लास जी खां स्टार्ट वठंदासीं ऐं मां आहियां तव्हांजो टीचर एजाज़ अली ख़ासकेली। सब खां पहिरियां असां चैप्टर नंबर 1 ऐं लेक्चर नंबर 1 जी स्टार्टिंग कंदासीं। चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट जेको फर्स्ट ईयर जो आहे उहो इंट्रोडक्शन टू फंडामेंटल कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ केमिस्ट्री। उन इंट्रोडक्शन टू फंडामेंटल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री में सब खां पहिरियां जेको टॉपिक आहे असांजो उहो आहे केमिस्ट्री। यादि रहे त केमिस्ट्री जेका आहे उहा फिजिकल साइंस जी ब्रांच आहे, या जेके चऊं त साइंस जी ब्रांच आहे जंहिंमें स्टडी कई वई आहे मैटर जी, यानी इट इज द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस व्हिच डील्स विद द स्टडी ऑफ मैटर। व्हाट टाइप ऑफ स्टडी ऑफ मैटर प्रेजेंट इन अ केमिस्ट्री? हियर स्टडी ऑफ कंपोजिशन ऑफ मैटर, स्टडी ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ मैटर, स्टडी ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मैटर, हियर स्टडी ऑफ चेंजेस ऑफ मैटर, study of energy of matter, study of occurrences of matter, also study of preparation of matter, and study of application or usage of matter. Finally, we can study here laws or principles on changes of matter. First of all, here we discuss composition. For suppose we have a matter, water. The chemical formula of water is H2O. In H2O, the mass of hydrogen is 2 and oxygen is 16. Here simplest ratio with their mass is 1:8 to 1:8. Here 1:8 is the composition of matter by their mass, by their masses. ठीक है? Here is composition. It means water is composed of 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen in the ratio of 1:8 by their mass. Now structure of matter. Here we studied the arrangement of atoms of elements in a matter. Here we study the arrangement of atoms of elements in a matter. Say suppose we have a molecule of methane. In molecule of methane, the 1 carbon atom is surrounded tetrahedrally by 4 hydrogen atoms. Tetrahedrally by 4 hydrogen atoms. The bond angle is 109.5 degree. Here the structure or geometry of this methane is tetrahedral and bond angle 109.5. Now we come to the properties. Here 2 kinds of properties possessed by matter. One is chemical properties, other is physical properties. Chemical properties of a matter. Here we discussed a reactivity of matter, flammability of matter, or oxidizing properties or reducing properties, etc. Here we also discussed physical properties of a matter. There are many physical properties of matter, such as evaporation is a physical property of matter. Evaporation is a physical property of matter, and vapor pressure is a physical property of matter. Boiling point is a physical properties of matter. Melting point is a physical property of matter. Viscosity, surface tension, etc. are the physical properties of matter. Now, after properties, we discussed on changes of matter. Here we study changes of matter. There are 2 kinds of changes of matter: physical changes and chemical changes. Actually, chemical properties associated with physical changes of matter. Physical properties associated with physical changes of matter. For suppose physical change, evaporation. In evaporation, water spontaneously changes to a gas, or in vapor pressure, vapors of liquid exert force on liquid surface, or in boiling point, the temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure. These are the changes which are known as physical changes of matter. And chemical changes of matter, here we discussed about reactivity, flammability. And flammability, the substances combust and to produce carbon dioxide and water vapors. For suppose methane in the presence of oxygen burns to produce carbon dioxide and water vapors. This is a chemical change in which methane changes to carbon dioxide and water also energy produces. There are many type of changes in which matter undergoes. For suppose rusting of iron is a chemical change. Rusting of iron is a chemical change. Photosynthesis in which plants prepared its own food from water and carbon dioxide from atmosphere. Also respiration is a chemical change. Respiration is a chemical change. Digestion also chemical change. Actually chemistry is full of chemical changes on which matter undergoes. Here occurrences of matter, it means where matter naturally occurred. It means natural gas obtained from marshy places, or coal obtained from coal mines, etc. are the occurrences of matters. Preparation of matter, it means water is formed from hydrogen gas and oxygen gas when they react to each other. This is the preparation of matter. Here we discuss about the preparation of matter. Also application or usage of matter. There are many applications or usage of matters in daily life. Say suppose the soap is a matter. Say suppose detergent is a matter. Say suppose cloth is a matter. These all substances are very important in a daily life. Also some laws or principles or changes of matter. There are many laws or principles which are discussed about the changes of matter. This is all about the introduction of chemistry. Here we discussed about the branches of chemistry. There are 9 branches of chemistry, main 9 branches of chemistry. One is physical chemistry, other is organic chemistry, third one inorganic chemistry, and fourth one is biochemistry, and fifth one is analytical chemistry, sixth one is environmental chemistry, seventh one is nuclear chemistry, eighth industrial or applied chemistry, and at last ninth number polymeric chemistry. Here physical chemistry deals with the atoms or molecules. These atoms or molecules chemically linked together. There are some forces of attraction between atoms or molecules. There are forces of attraction between the atoms or molecules or ions when they are combined together. Here we discuss the chemical forces or physical forces of attraction between the atoms or molecules in a physical chemistry. Organic chemistry associated with carbon compounds. Here we discussed about carbon compounds. Carbon compounds, what? Here methane is carbon compound. Ethane is carbon compound. Benzene is carbon compound. Benzene is carbon compound. And petroleum also carbon compound. Here we discussed about the carbon compounds. The organic compounds actually found from organic compounds. The origin of organic compounds is living things. Or origin of organic compounds are living things because first organic compound obtained from living things. Therefore, the living origin substances said to be organic compounds, and here organic compound discussed in organic chemistry. Third is inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry concerned with non-living matter, or concerned with non-living origin substances. Non-living origin substances. Non-living origin substances, say suppose calcium carbonate, say suppose sodium carbonate, say suppose all elements are non-living origin substances. The big source of non-living origin substances is soil. Therefore, here we can say that the study of soil is said to be inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry. Biochemistry, actually biochemistry deals with the chemical study of life. Here deals with the study of chemical study of life. Here the biochemistry is the backbone of medical sciences. Fifth one is analytical chemistry. Actually, analytical chemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the study of methods or techniques which are used to determine the quality or quantity of a given sample of substances. Here some many modern techniques present for the determination of atoms, ions or molecules and its quality. One is spectroscopy, other is chromatography. And environmental chemistry. Environmental chemistry also deals with the study of chemicals. Which are present in environment. These chemicals have impact on environment, either positive or negative. Here positive and negative impact of chemicals also discussed in environmental chemistry. Nuclear chemistry deals with the study of nucleus of an atom. Nucleus of an atom. And also nuclear fission reaction or nuclear fusion reaction. During fission and fusion, some huge amount of energy releases. Here some radiations emit out. Also these radiation discussed in nuclear chemistry. Industrial applied chemistry. This is a very important branch of chemistry in which some processes or methods which are used in the industries for the preparation, for the synthesis of products. Some of the synthesis of products from raw materials such as cement, glass, detergents, plastics, etc. And polymeric chemistry. Polymeric chemistry, relatively new branch of chemistry, deals with the study of polymerization process. Polymerization of process. Actually, polymerization process is a process in which small units join together to form a big unit, big molecule. Here, this big molecule have mass greater than the monomer component. These polymer products have very importance in daily life. These polymer products such as PVC also polymer product, and PVA is a polymeric product. Bakelite also a polymeric product. Bakelite polymeric product. Plastic such as polyethylene, polypropylene, polypropylene etc. Also a plastic which is formed from a polymerization process. Actually polymerization process nowadays is a huge branch of a huge process from which many synthetic products formed, which has great importance in daily life. This is all about chemistry and its branches. Thank you. लास्ट में some multiple choice options हैं, some multiple choice questions and MCQs हैं, उनके सॉल्व करना थे। उनमें नंबर फर्स्ट है the study of chemicals is called. Here study of chemicals. Chemicals means matter. The study of chemicals is present in chemistry because the whole study of matter is present in chemistry. That's why the option from biochemistry, physics, biology is correct is chemistry. Chemistry is the study of chemicals. Question number second, study of soil. Here the origin of non-living things, origin of non-living material from soil. That's why the inorganic compound which are discussed in inorganic chemistry is the study of soil. It means inorganic chemistry is the study of soil. जीअं त जेके soil आहे उहो नॉन लिविंग मटीरियल जो सोर्स आहे ऐं नॉन लिविंग मटीरियल्स इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में डिस्कस थींदा आहिनि, तंहिंजे करे जेका स्टडी आहे सॉइल जी उहा इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री सजे थी। क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड आहे त विच ऑफ फॉलोइंग इज फिजिकल चेंज। ये तो हेठियनि मां फिजिकल चेंज कहिड़ी आहे? सब्लिमेशन आहे। सब्लिमेशन साल डायरेक्टली चेंज थींदो आहे गैस में। जॾहिं एस्टरिफिकेशन में कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड ऐं अल्कोहल पाण में कीमियाई अमल करे ईस्टर ठाहींदा आहिनि। सल्फोनेशन में सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड एड थींदो आहे। सल्फोनियम आयन सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड मां एड थींदो आहे कंहिं सब्सटेंस में, ऐं नाइट्रेशन में नाइट्रिक एसिड मां नाइट्रो ग्रुप कंहिं सब्सटेंस में एड थींदो आहे। Here addition of nitro group, addition of sulfonation and esterification means ester formation. These all are the chemical changes. Here is A is a physical change in which matter, it means solid, directly changed to a vapors or gas. Fourth number is backbone of medical sciences is. Medical sciences जी रीढ़ जी हड्डी जी हैसियत कंहिंखे आहे? इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री आहे, बायोलॉजी आहे, फिजिक्स आहे या बायोकेमिस्ट्री आहे या नन ऑफ दीज आहे। हिननि में बायोकेमिस्ट्री जेका आहे उहा बैकबोन ऑफ मेडिकल साइंसिस आहे, छाकाणि त बायोकेमिस्ट्री में असां लाइफ में मौजूदु केमिकल्स जी स्टडी कंदा आहियूं। उनजे करे उनखां पोइ पंजो नंबर आहे दी क्वीन ऑफ ऑल साइंसिस इज। क्वीन ऑफ ऑल साइंसिस यादि रहे त क्वीन ऑफ ऑल साइंसिस केमिस्ट्री सरबो आहे, छाकाणि त केमिस्ट्री उहा साइंस आहे जंहिंमें कंप्लीट स्टडी ऑफ मैटर प्रेजेंट आहे। जेकॾहिं तव्हां कंप्लीट स्टडी ऑफ मैटर न कंदा त उन मैटर खे कंहिं ॿी जाइ ते यूज़ करे न सघंदा। उनजे करे तव्हांखे जेकॾहिं मुकमिल तौर ते स्टडी करणो आहे मैटर खे त तव्हां क्वीन ऑफ ऑल साइंसिस ते मूव कंदो। हेयर क्वीन ऑफ ऑल साइंसिस केमिस्ट्री। ही कुछ सम MCQs हुआ जेके तव्हांजे साम्हूं डिस्कस कयासीं। थोरो इंट्रोडक्शन कयोसीं, उन इंट्रोडक्शन मां कुछ क्वेश्चन ऐं कुछ हिकु अधु नओं क्वेश्चन ॿुधाए रखियो। थैंक यू, महिरबानी।